sick. I've not been feeling too well, but this morning I've woken up surrounded by my lovely, gorgeous family. In fact, I don't think I've ever given you the rundown of my kids. Here, obviously, we have my firstborn, Pablo. We then have Bing Bong, named by Emily. This is the little French bulldog that my dad got me for my birthday. He is called Mouse. Then have Kappa, and then our newest born. This is Sakura. However, I am thinking of renaming her to Cupie or Pam Pam. Emily got me this as a gift, and it's genuinely the best thing ever. If you don't have a Squishmallow, a 10 out of 10 recommend. I use it as a pillow every single night. Eunice seems to have made a little bit of a return this morning. Whilst I was making my coffee, I was kind of terrified my balcony doors were about to blow in. But I've got a really nice day planned. I've actually woken up so late. I was planning on going to the gym first thing this morning. Yes, the gym. I know, but I have a meeting very soon, so I'm going to get changed into my gym clothes now, and then as soon as that meeting's done, I'll go to the gym, and then it's nail day. I have to vlog every time it's a nail day because getting my nails done is an occasion within itself. I feel like a lot of people are like, why don't you get your nails done all the time? Because these babies take time. My nail lady, Chi, you guys know by now that I only basically strictly go to Chi Nails, is a genius. They take a lot of time. They take about 3 hours, and sometimes finding that 3 hours can be a little bit of a struggle. I'm actually so lucky to have February as such an empty month for me. I don't have as much work going on as I did over like the Christmas period time. I've got just so much time. I wonder if that's why I'm just sleeping so much. If you didn't know, I am sleeping a ridiculous amount. I think maybe I'm catching up, and also I do this thing where I don't know if anyone else is like this. If I go through like a hard or stressful time in my life, it comes out in like sleep and exhaustion a few months later. I mean, good that, you know, it's riding out, but I feel like I have to explain myself to people because they're like, you sleep so much. I'm like, it's the trauma, okay? It's the trauma. Why do I look so red? My skin is also not loving me. I also got a package through from Gymshark today, and I just want to say the biggest thank you ever to Gymshark for sponsoring the next couple minutes of this video. I'm going to give you a little haul of all the things I got. Very fitting, seeing as I am getting back into the gym. First thing I got is this zip up Vital Seamless top. These are really good if you're a runner. I'm pretty sure, yeah, they have thumb holes as well. Thank you for texting away. Not you texting your side thing whilst running. We then have a Vital Seamless crop top. Just a really simple neckline, long sleeves. I love how like stretchy this material is. I love how sort of thin Gymshark material is. I've had gym wear in the past where it's so thick, it just makes me feel like I'm sweating even more. This is like a really breathable, really nice material. We then have the Vital Seamless shorts, perfect for warmer weather coming soon, I hope. The sun is actually starting to make an appearance already, and there are some days it really does feel like spring. I love that like transitional changing between seasons, right, when it's like starting to get exciting. You know how at the end of summer you're like gagging for it to be cold, and then the end of winter you're gagging to not wake up and it be pitch black every morning. This is what they look like. Once again, the same like Vital Seamless material, super breathable, super stretchy. These also make your bunda look fat and juicy, even if there's not one there. This one is for the girls born with lack of facilities. Then have a Vital Seamless sports bra. These actually come with like built-in pads and support, which are also removable. I usually remove mine. Guys, my girls have been on a bit of a madness. They got big. Well, bigger. They're never gonna be big, but they got bigger. So a sports bra is always an essential, especially if you're doing like a lot of HIIT training, a lot of jumping. It's actually important. It can hurt your back if you're not wearing the right sports bra. So these are super great. We then have the Vital Seamless leggings. Honestly, just Gymshark leggings, like the snatch that they give you at the waist. They never ever fall down. Full length leggings. Obviously they've got the little Gymshark branding. I like how sort of discreet these are. I like to have black gym wear. I just think it looks classy and sleek because I'm a classy, sleek gal when I'm in the gym. I am so ugly in the gym. Do you ever like catch a reflection of yourself? Be like, girls who go to the gym on like workout dates, not in my agenda, never will be. And then we have a pair of the Vital Seamless, sort of more baggy, loose shorts. You don't just have to wear gym wear to the gym as well. You can wear it day to day. If I'm in a rush, say like a nail appointment or something, I'll literally just throw on a pair of black leggings, a black hoodie, a big like leather football jacket, a pair of buffaloes. Oh my god, buffaloes and Gymshark leggings make your legs look so good. We're talking long, model off-duty catwalk vibes. Somebody lied to her several times because she is nothing of the sort. That's my little Gymshark haul. I'm gonna have links to everything down below where you can shop this stuff. Thank you so much again for Gymshark for working with me on this video. I've worked with Gymshark for years now and they're honestly one of my favorite brands. I just love everything about the brand. The team are great, and thank you guys all so much for watching me and allowing me to work with brands that I do love. Now time for a bit of skincare. I'm currently using some acids on my skin. I've been sleeping in makeup so much. It's in its rebellious era and it's so it should be. I've been using a lot of like glycolic acids and things, which is why my wee face looks like a tomato. But we're getting there, girls, we're getting there. I'm using this at the moment kind of because my normal face wash is still in my suitcase and I haven't unpacked, but I'm kind of enjoying it. It makes my face feel a little spicy. You know, when a face wash makes your face feel really cold. A little bit of serum. God, I cannot wait to get these nails done. Had my meeting, it went really well. Now I'm off to the gym. I think I'm only going to be able to get like a 45-minute session in because I'm on a time crunch. I'm not going to vlog inside because that is terrifying, but I wanted to show you guys. I'm literally in me Gymshark. Very on brand of me. I'm going to go smash out a good session. I'm wearing a t-shirt to the gym today because I'm insecure about my bum, okay? When I tell you there's nothing there, there's really nothing there. And I thought of wearing a sports bra and having this white girl bunda out. Not for me just yet. Give me a month or 6. Okay, I really need to go. Gym transition. I've never been more grateful for bad lighting in my life. It's a lot. It's a lot. Feeling so feeling so good. I was about to say I'm gonna hop in the shower, shampoo the front bits of my hair. The girls who know about that know. After going to the gym, just like shampoo these bits and not the rest. Don't look at me like that. And get ready for my nails because these are a big fat problem. You joined me in the bathroom today. Look how red I still am. Foundation is very much needed today. I thought I'd have a little chat with you whilst I do my makeup and overshare, which I seem to be getting very good at the moment. I am not feeling my best self at the moment, and if I'm gonna put it blunt, I feel ugly. Like there's no dilly-dallying around it. I went through a pretty shitty patch of life. During that, I had no love and no respect for myself. Didn't care about my health, didn't care about the way I looked, didn't even care about getting out of bed, didn't care about getting dressed, didn't care about wearing nice clothes. I would wear the same thing every single day and I'm still like, it's just gonna, it sounds so superficial and it sounds so stupid because to so many people it's like, oh, why are you so obsessed with the way you look? But when it's things like basic, I don't even want to shower, I don't even want to brush my hair, I didn't even want to brush my teeth, I didn't want to wash my hair. It's like a very destructive thing to do. Letting your appearance go and letting those basic things and even just that time, like spending that time on yourself. For me, doing my makeup, wearing nice clothes is kind of, it's a superficial act of self-love, but it's the most basic one and it's the easiest one to do, and it's something that most people feel capable of doing, and I really didn't for a long time. I'm still getting back on track, and I don't, like, you're gonna see I'm gonna put a tracksuit on in a second, but I do that every day. Things like that, I would go out in jeans and a top and I feel so ugly. I don't want to, like, I just kind of want to hide a lot, and I'm having to train my brain to be like, right, you know, I look like this because I haven't been taking care of myself basically, but I have to love myself now and accept myself at this stage of my journey and just work on getting myself back. It's like why I'm going to the gym, I'm having bubble baths and doing face masks and painting my toenails and things like that. Obviously alongside it, I'm doing things for my brain and I'm journaling, and even going to the gym is good for my brain and stuff, but when my job is on camera all the time, it's so demotivating to film when I know I'm gonna put videos out. And you guys are noticing too, like, I get comments on my face all the time, I get comments on my body all the time, I get comments on my hair, anything you can imagine I get comments on. And I know, like, I want to say thank you because I'm so lucky to have such nice viewers. In fact, someone was saying to me the other day, I was out and about and they were with me and they don't do YouTube or anything, and a few of you guys came up and said hi, and they were like, your viewers are so nice, they're so lovely. And I was like, I know, I'm literally so lucky to have people who are so like-minded and just so polite and so kind and so friendly. It's more of a blessing than you could ever imagine. But I see those DMs and stuff, and you know what, I can't say they're not true. And I look at myself and I'm just like, what have you done to yourself? Like, just the way I completely let myself go, like lost all respect, no respect for my body, no respect for my health. It's not me, and it's not the person that I used to be. I want to look at myself and like what I see, and I want like my exterior appearance to be a form of like the respect I have for myself and the discipline that I have for myself, and me eating good. And it's not about me like calorie restricting or anything, but it's eating food that's good for me and like it's gonna make me feel healthy and make me feel energetic and not make me feel sick or make me feel sluggish, and going to the gym and using my body, giving myself, like my insides, the love and the respect they deserve, and so forth, that will shine outwards. I'm sorry if that was like a whole tangent you don't care about. I probably definitely like really over-explain myself because I'm always fucking terrified of upsetting people. But yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. Scary, don't particularly like talking about it, because as soon as you talk about things you feel insecure about or show any sort of vulnerability, it does kind of open up a portal and like a loophole for people online who don't like you to attack into those things, which is why I haven't wanted to talk about this. But do you know what, if I can help 2 people out or make 2 people feel a little less alone, I know a lot of people like feel like this in winter, then there you go. It's glow up season, but internally, and let's get sexy together. Can't wait. Sexy mind, sexy body. You heard it here first. Sorry if you can hear my washing machine literally about to take flight in the background, but I just want to mention I treated myself to Baccarat. So many people know and love this perfume. Every single time I smell it on someone, I'm like, oh my gosh, what are you wearing? And I got it the other day, and you guys, I seriously swear to God, this stuff lingers in your hair. I've literally done a hair wash and it still smells in my hair. It's so strong, you need hardly any sprays. Life-changing. If you want the ultimate treat to yourself, you need to get this. I'm such a perfume enthusiast. In fact, putting this out into universe, I'm gonna have my own perfume one day.
She gon' pop it open, she gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn I still feel poor. Sushi on my dinner plate, eating creme brulee, icing on that chocolate cake. That sound like the perfect day. She gon' pop it open, she gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn I still feel poor. Sushi on my dinner plate, eating.
I'm really stressed. I'm just having a stressful day. I need to start getting ready for EVs. I'm so bad time management. Like, I will be like, oh my gosh, I've got a free day, so I just will not do anything all day, and then I'll be stressing that I'm not doing anything all day because I'm like, this feels wrong. I should probably be doing something. And Flossie, you fucking should be doing something. Just because I've got a day free and there's nothing in my calendar that day doesn't mean I've not got shit to do for that week. Why don't I look ahead? Why am I... She's too mindful. Maybe I'm too mindful. I'm honestly trying to laugh about this, but I just... things like bills and tax, and I feel like I've been cleaning my apartment all day, and it's a fucking mess because I just went and picked up like PR packages. I've done 2 trips to take the boxes down. I went down to my letterbox because someone had said they'd sent me a letter. Didn't even end up bringing that letter out. Couldn't find it, and then just brought up a ton of stuff that just stressed me out even more about bills. And like, I don't know if I'm paying them right. I can't remember if I've set up a direct deposit for a certain something. And instead of addressing and dealing with the situation, I just hide. My washing machine sounds like it's gonna take flight. Got Lewis and Josh coming over for pre-drink, and like, I always like to have my flat like spotless when people come over, and it's not, and it's not the end of the world. I just need to calm down, like one thing at a time. I'm just so bad at like dealing with the situation at hand, and I just get so overwhelmed by everything. I'll just go to sleep Like, I will just sleep. It feels like everyone else in the world can do these things and keep on top of their life and keep on top of everything, and it's embarrassing. Like, I feel embarrassed, you know. I'm not a child anymore. I'm 21. Like, why am I still fucking things up? And I sent some work off and I've done it wrong, and I've spent so much time. I've like not even eaten a meal yet today, and I've just got nothing to show for it. Oh, and then getting stressed doesn't help anything, and this isn't nice for you, and it's honesty hour, isn't it? Because I could come on here and like sit and do my glam, which I am gonna do, and we are gonna have a nice night, and I am gonna go. I was contemplating just being like, I've got so much to do, I'm not gonna go. I haven't seen my friends in ages, and it's like all my fault. Like, I am just useless. Like, I literally feel useless. Like, I can't get the simplest things done, and then I like let down everyone around me, and I don't know, I just feel really stupid. I can't even like adult. I just have got like, I've not got anything together. My life is like a shit show. I'm really sorry, I feel like I've been so negative, but and like there's friends I haven't seen in ages, and I feel really bad being like, sorry I can't do this, I can't do that, oh sorry I can't go anymore, and then it's like I'm cancelling those things to be still so flustered, like doing everything wrong. I just, as I said, like one step at a time. It's something I definitely need to work on, because I'm the only person who's in control of this. I'm just such a scatterbrain. Realistically, if I was more organised and I did like just take the time to sit out and plan everything out, stuff like this wouldn't happen, but I don't. I just go 100 miles an hour into everything and fuck everything up, and probably annoy everyone around me on the way. I'm gonna start doing my makeup, and then I'll come back to you and start recording when I feel a little more posy. Mini meltdown is over. Feeling better. I got ready. I called Lewis. Lewis and Josh are coming over, as I already said. I'm gonna do my lip liner, put on some perfume, and grow the fuck up. I'm so sorry. I've been so vulgar through this whole video. I thought I'd do my lips on camera because I always get questions. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk. I actually got this in a glossy box. How cool. I overline the living daylight out of my lips. I look like this because the theme of Evie's birthday, I can't remember if I said, but basically it's one of my best friends. I'm sure you all know who she is. Evie's 21st birthday, and she's having a birthday party that is Hollywood glam themed. So I mean, I did my best. I'm gonna put some gloss on, but first, of course, a little top up of Baccarat. I know this is so bad, but I'm gonna put a lot on. Oops. I know this is so bad, but I always spray perfume in my hair just because it lasts longer. Shh, don't tell my hairdresser. You can definitely tell because my hair is snapping and frying off by the minute. Just gorgeous girls overline their lips and wear lip gloss. I'm all ready. Lou Dog is here.
Alexa, pause.
Give a lowdown of your Hollywood glam fit.
So this is so Hollywood glam. They would always wear it in Great Gatsby. I took the film Great Gatsby as my inspiration. This jacket is from Great Gatsby.
Oh, Josh is here.
I've ordered you a stripper! Hello. I thought you heard someone else. What's this for? This for me. Oh. I don't know, I don't have time. My hair's too long to have a tie.
Jesus.
Okay, give her back.
Let it come through for a night on a fucking list. You fucking up, you fucking bitch, you fucking broke. I'm getting rich, toss it like I'm syphilis. You popping head, you feeling this. You money short like midget kids. You girl gon' say she want my egg. Put it in a bag of the seat. I'ma pull up in a foreign. Hello, yeah, hey, that's me. No, I don't like to be, but she gon' jerk me like the meat. No, I don't like to be, so she gon' ride me till I sleep. Ay, yeah. Ride me till I sleep. Tell all my haters that I hope they rest in peace. Lil' crippin', lil' booty, call one hella recipe. Shout out to all the ratchet babies, bump this with you, we, yeah. Going on my neck, your bitch thumbing